Okay. We're here to unfold the track and put it back in one piece. First of all, you want to check, make sure the belt are within the channels. You see, the belt there's a channel for the belt. Like this one, it come out. This one come out a little bit during transportation. You want to make sure it go back in the channel. And same here, this one come out, so you want to make sure they back into the channel. Okay, now got it. We unfold it. Again, check the belt is there inside the channels. This one is good. This one is good. Good, good. So they're inside the channel. That's good. And sometimes they may come off on the side. So you want to check the side, the belt, all inside the channel. Didn't come out. Didn't come out. Okay. Now if it did come out, find a way to push it back. You can use a small screwdriver. If anywhere that has come out, you can just push it back. Push it back. Okay? But make sure the belt's inside the channel. So first we want to close this gap by pulling the carrier. Okay, so that is one piece. So you turn around. Turn around. There's a track connector. You lose the screws. You lose the screws. Okay, move it out. Put it right in the middle. It has to be in the middle. Okay. So two screw, trap in the middle. Okay. You tighten it. Put it together. Secure it. Tighten the screws. Turn around, right? Now, at the end, the idle unit, this carrier is off. We want to put this carrier back together. So, you take off the two screws. Take off the two screws. Okay. There's a spacer here. And lose these screws, lose this stopper. The loop stopper, lose it. Okay. The reason for that is the belt inside sometimes may be too tight. You want to loosen it a little bit first. When we pull, you see a gap here. Just loosen a little bit. Okay. And pull it back here. Pull it back here. This way, the belt inside is exactly the position. Okay. If we push it too hard here, the belt will be crammed inside. So we want to loose it first and then move these holders together. Now we can put it back. Okay, and secure this back. Well, you can try, make sure first, you can test it first. See, this is good, right? If you put it too tight, it gets stuck. That's why we loosen it a little bit. Oops. That's why we loosen it a little bit and close it. Then put this one back, and then you test it. See, very smooth. And we're gonna put this one the way it was, exactly the same. Watch out, the hole is out there. There's a hole here. Don't put it all the way in. Leave one out here. Two screws. Okay. Very smooth.